Here's the Flashpoint R2 for Canon with the round head accessory kit. Ooh, it says this for the Evolve 200, but I think it'll work on this. Let's find out. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I got the wrong thing. Battery. Oh, I like the way you can charge this battery here. Nice small charger with the wall adapter. Ooh, looks like a spider. It's out. Great. Oh, you can see through. There's no button release to move this up and down, the flash head up and down. All of the Canon ones have a release. This is just done by pressure, but it seems pretty tight. Okay, let's see if I got the right one, even though it says it's for the Evolve 200. Comes in another case. Oh. Bunch of magnets, barn doors. This is all plastic. Feels really cheap. And there's a dome, snoot, bounce card. Okay, let's see if this, let's just put on barn doors. Oh. Okay, it works for the R2. The Zoom Lion X R2, even though it says it was for the Evolve 200. But this is fine. This is great. Now I have a kit here with filters. The filters are up here. Different colored, not filters, I mean gels. All the gels are up here. This is a really good system when you're on the go. I use it for portrait, and I could probably use it for events. No, I will use it for events. And I have this R2 Pro 2 Mark II. Great.